Hello. It's a new day. Everybody's hungry. Let's make some food. That never happens, right? Well, today in the California mountains, it's hot. Yeah, let's go ahead and turn on the stove and all that. Yeah, whatever. I got a blender. Hey, looky there. I actually picked that up in a thrift shop. My blender, the one I bought, new, was a cheapie from Kmart. This one, I bought at a thrift store. Okay. Today we are making a mistake. Many years ago, I saw a recipe for gazpacho and I thought, yuck, soggy bread. So I kind of made this without it. And you know what? It's great. It's not gazpacho. My wife calls it kick-ass. But it's pretty darn good. So it's a blenderized tomato salad. So, what makes it whatchamacallit? There's a quarter of a red onion. Or there's a half of a red onion. There's another quarter of a red onion. There's a whole red onion in there. You know, not a lot of room for everything else. Let's take care of that in a minute. Okay, that's insecticide. That'll kill people. Why don't we try moderating that with cucumber. About another half of that cucumber. Oh look, more cucumber and more cucumber. So 2 cucumbers, 2 nice big cucumbers. Oh, give it up. Come on, cooperate. Okay, we're getting down in there. Okay, that's going to have to do it for a minute. You know, this is my recipe, so how about some garlic? 4 cloves. Let me chop those in half just for good luck. Because it looks like it's going to take a minute for things to get blenderized in there. Oh! Tomatoes. I'm using cherry tomatoes today because I really like their sharpness. Don't have cherry tomatoes, just use regular tomatoes, whatever. Be sure to rinse them first. Okay, yeah, come on you, get back in there. Yeah, right now I got onion paste with cucumbers and a little garlic. Let's turn that into sort of gazpacho. Okay, we're making some progress there. Oh yeah. You can see we've still got some big chunks of cucumbers. There are times when a recipe requires perseverance. Oh, there we go. Yeah, there are times you got to let that blender know who's boss. Now my cheaper blender, you know, it just funneled things down nicely. This one, it's kind of temperamental. Let's add some more tomato. Yeah, we finally got our heat up here in California, which is the most wonderful news on earth. Because we here in California grow a heck of a lot of food for this country. And that is solar powered, every bit of it. Yeah. Our food supply is renewably powered. Har, 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 har. Okay. That looks edible. Let's give that a taste. So what do I got? I got a whole red onion, 2 cucumbers, and a bunch of cherry tomatoes. Yeah, when I say dinner's easy, it's easy. Technically for gazpacho there should be bread in here. Oh! Oh! Oh my heavens. No, it's not perfect. It's just evidence that God loves us. Let's add some fat in the form of some overpriced olive oil. Yeah, I put in a fair amount. Now the onion, sadly, is a little bitter today. But that's okay. We got some red wine vinegar. Yeah, I use the term blenderized tomato salad. This is pretty much what it is. A little bit of salt. After all, what's a tomato without a little bit of salt? And a fair amount of black pepper. Now, Mrs. Chef has been a little under the weather, so we're going to have a little extra protein tonight. I bought some chicken breasts at the market. I'm just going to quickly grill up with a little bit of lemon pepper on those. And that's just because I'm making food for somebody who doesn't feel good. Ordinarily, we just have this with some bread. Oh my heavens. So, oh my heavens. That's good. So, simple dinner. Oh yeah. What do we have? Well, we got some red wine to go with that. Har, 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 har. But yeah, it's kind of funny. Watching YouTube kind of makes me sad sometimes. I think this poor woman out of Texas, and starting to understand some things in Texas watching her cook. Everything she makes involves Campbell's cream of something or other soup. And I can't even read all of this. The thought of eating this maybe once in a while because I just can't figure out anything else to eat. I know it's kind of safe. Yeah, that's fine. But Campbell's cream or whatever versus a gift from God, and I mean that literally, I'll take that. So anyway, that's kind of it. This and some bread and some wine, that's a dinner. We're going to throw in some chicken breast grilled up with a little lemon pepper just for the extra protein tonight. So that's it. Thank you. I'm the Awful Chef. Please subscribe. Goodbye.